So this is my patient today, guys. You can see we have it very dry wax in this ear. Very dry. It is super dry as well. When you look at it, it's really kind of lots of dry skin mixed in here, which then dries the wax out. It makes the wax really hard. Crispy. Crispy wax. Guys, this is the last video pre-wax vent. Okay, so wax, I know, God, it doesn't seem like weeks ago we were doing wax vent last time. So wax vent is coming out, is starting on Sunday. So what we're going to do this time, guys, we're going to do a patient a day, all the way through till, is it 24th we normally do? 24th?
Yeah, we don't do Christmas Day.
We don't do Christmas Day, 24th. And then you won't see us then until New Year, then, guys. So
we're having a break.
We're having a little bit of a break from the wax over Christmas. So yeah, you can see it's just lots and lots of dry layers in here as well, all coming up.
Oh, I was going to say, that looks like a perfect angle for a,
a
set of forceps there.
Look at these bad boys coming out here.
A piece of gold.
Yeah, it is. That is mega crispy as well. It's got so hard, but it is coming away really well. So patient was feeling a little bit of discomfort. Not so much a hearing issue with this patient because these blocks had they were sitting in front of one another. Yeah, they were kind of higgledy-piggledy in there. So you had the little gap to get the sound through. But it's coming away really well.
Oh, yeah.
Got the phone. Oh, apologise about my mic as well, guys. We did a bunch of voiceovers last week. I didn't realise the mic had actually gone inside my top and was stuck against my chest. So you could that's what you could see it was my heartbeat going through the thing. It might have gone up at times if it was quite an exciting video. You never know, but let's go back and check.
180 beats per minute.
If it was just that's what you need to worry, guys. Okay, that's what it needs to be planning.
Oh,
but I did remember to put on the outside this time, so it won't cause a problem. I've got to be careful. So you can never put it too out. My beard goes over on it, and it just makes a scratch.
Rusty.
Yeah,
I don't get that problem.
We had a problem I did filming years ago for TV, and it was it's with the sound guy. I had a nightmare because he said, "Oh, your beard's a nightmare." He keeps brushing over the mic all the time. I was like, "Oh, sorry."
Plug it somewhere.
I ain't shaving it. It's shaved like a gap in the middle.
Just attach the microphone to your beard.
That's been easier, I think. Yeah, so this is the last bit, guys. You can see it's come away really well.
Nice.
Oh, I've had an idea as well, but we were talking about doing like a games one, like instead of a live, just something a bit different, just me and you best well. What the lovely lady here called Claire, her husband has just opened a golf simulator with the darts thing and all that. I think we should film ourselves going on that. We may even be able to have a sneaky beer at the same time.
Oh, we might do it.
Oh, it'd be nice, wouldn't it? I like the sound of it. I wonder if work can pay for that, because technically it's something to do with work.
Same work hours. Go down first thing in the morning.
Stay the whole
Stay the day.
Stay the whole day.
That'll be interesting.
So I think that might be quite a good one to do. So I'm going to try and look into that to see how feasible it is as well, to see if we can get there. I'd love to be able to do a live from there, but I think that would be too much because there'd be other people around and stuff. Unless unless we could get in there early, maybe. Yeah, you'd smash me on golf. I can't do golf, but you're a golfer, aren't you?
Well, I wouldn't say I'm a golfer. I haven't played for about a year. It's been a while, but I know how to hit the ball. But
I can do crazy golf.
Oh,
yeah.
Be a bit awkward in a golf simulator place, so I can play crazy golf on a flat mat. Make our own little tracks.
Maybe, yeah, that's a good point. We could put some traffic cones up or something. I could work around that. Yeah. A little cup at the end, like caps the ball.
Oh yeah. That covers the
whole thing. Was there a name? Cup, is there a golf name for that?
I think it's just called the cup.
Oh, is it?
I think it is.
Okay, cool.
That's how much I know about golf.
That's a hell of a lot more than I do. I don't understand it, because you hit a ball and then you have to walk to it and then you have to hit it again and then you've got to walk to it again. See,
it's just an excuse for a few hours out of the house, isn't it?
Is that what it is? Oh, cool.
It's actually really, it's more frustrating than it looks, to be honest.
I tell you what, I could take up golf, but I couldn't actually play it, but I could be like a chauffeur in those golf buggies. I love a golf buggy.
That'll be good.
Yeah.
Could be my caddy.
I could be a caddy.
Yeah.
Have I got to carry stuff?
Yeah.
Have you got one of those electric things?
If you've got a car, yeah. I have got one, actually. I got one of those.
You got one? Yeah. Oh, I'm in. Can I sit on it?
Yeah.
I got my motorbike licence. I go on the top, which is not...
What club do you want?
Oh, I'd be stuffed. I think it was, I know because you get, was it woods? Iron? Is it still
Woods,
woods?
irons,
Is that still a
driver,
thing?
cutter.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's
What's that?
hybrids.
Does one hit it further?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay, cool.
I'm not going to go through them all now.
No.
We're at the end of the video now.
Oh my God, yeah. So sorry, guys. Sorry, we got to.
We're
So
off again.
if that's somebody like me and Taylor, not me caddy for Taylor, but the other thing with the darts and the golf simulator, I'd be terrible. I almost killed people when I went to that. What's the driving range?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I pretty much cleared that place. I hit it once. I was like, oh, I was getting into it, right? And I got it. I went whoosh, like that. And I thought, oh, that was perfect. And it just dropped off the thing. It just dribbled over the edge because we were upstairs.
Sorry.
It's terrible. Anyway, guys, we hope you enjoyed that video as much as we had. Well, I can't say we enjoyed it because we didn't really watch it. We were talking nonsense all the way through. So it's 5.5. I'm doing centimeters now. Sorry, buddy.
That's about 2.5 inches by the look of it.
Oh, well, perfect. Yeah.
So this is my pitch. I was choking in voice. This is my patient that's come through, guys.
You're still drinking his coffee. Sorry, I caught him out then.
I did. I swallow that as quick as I could there. So you can see what we've got here. We've got this very deep kind of bit of a mixture of like really soft wax. We got some skin in there. We've got a bit of everything really in this one. But this is a patient generally that needs to have this done on a regular basis, really. You tend to find with the skin ones, it's always deep and it's always very far inside the ear. But it's coming away really nicely so far. I think this is the fine end that we're using just because of the position that we're working in. We're quite deep in the ear. It's quite soft, so we shouldn't technically have too many issues taking it away. But I know when you see it do that, when it starts breaking away a little tiny bit, you think, oh, here we go.
Big tube.
Yeah, this is gonna take ages.
Yeah.
But it still looks like one big piece. You could see there we are. You could see that whole thing was moving. I could see the shape of it, and I thought, is that all one big piece?
It's come away. That's well, I'm gonna say it come away, then it moved. Oh
it's
no.
Moving away, yeah. It's what we can't really do is kind of pull it quickly because of the position we're in.
Yeah.
We don't want to risk making patients uncomfortable. But at the same time,
stuck top bottom. Is it?
Yeah. I have to try and lift this and pull it to the side.
Nice. Nice.
And yeah, it's what we were getting as well was the tube was getting blocked up quite regularly. The fine end, the smaller tube, generally tends to get blocked up a lot more frequently.
Yeah.
But we don't have any like clearing tubes to clear the fine ends up because it's so small. And
no, do you know what I've always wondered? Do you know that the vent cleaning? I wonder if a vent cleaner would do it. Might do.
I didn't think about that.
No, not me. That's what you just come to me now. I'll have to have a little look.
Yeah, we'll try that later.
Yeah.
But just doing a little bit of a tidy up now. We've managed to clear the blockage. Patient's hearing better already. Looks a little bit kind of like almost like your skin when you get in the bath for too long.
Yeah, so that mottled kind of look to it, isn't it?
Yeah, kind of a slight bit of irritation. Nothing to really worry about.
Well, it's coming away nicely.
Yeah, and you can't hear it on the video because obviously we don't play the sound when we're doing these videos. But these little tiny bits, they do usually make more noise than the bigger pieces of wax.
Yeah.
So we're just trying to peel away this last little bit here. As you can see, it's quite firmly attached. I'm just hoping to get a really good grip here now.
That's going well, isn't it?
There we go. Just trying to shear that away. There you go. Lovely. And it still, like I said, looks a little bit kind of messy in there. We're not overly concerned again about, I know we've said it quite a few times on the previous videos, we're not overly concerned about these little bits. You do need a little bit of wax in the ear.
From my experience, if you do a follow-up on this patient, so about a week later, that looks completely different. It looks completely cleared in there.
Yeah, but happy with the results there though. It's looking much clearer. So we've got about 3 centimeters, just under 3 centimeters, I would say, on there.
An inch. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching our video again today. 2 seconds. Watch this now. Look what we got. Look what's coming. Look at this. Look. It's on its way, guys. It is. It's the right way around? Yes, it is. Yes, Waxvent. Props are ready. They're here. They're right by the side of me now to start recording our Waxvent videos. So, guys, if you don't know what Waxvent is, it is going to be our first day of videos that will happen every single day throughout December, from day 1 to day 24 is the very last one you guys get, which is coincidentally my birthday. But as always, guys, you know, we will see us every single day for videos coming up now in December as a little gift to you for being subscribers all throughout the year. So thank you so much for that. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you for day 1 of Waxvent. Bye, everybody.
Bye.